again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have actually set my timer this time. And I'm going to remove that container of excess gold. Get out my PPG Speedhide. And the reason I show you what I do is because I have wanted to know how much of a layer of paint other people have used. I would like it if the top would go back on that though. I've cleared the tip in case I need some more. I'm going to let it flow a little bit in every direction. Sometimes I can see when there's little things in there. I was looking for a better word, but that was it. Inclusions, interruptions. Alright, so my way of doing this is to pull some of that paint to the outside edge, because paint will flow to paint, and I personally think that that encourages it to go where I want it to more easily. And I'm almost done. I have a couple dishes of leftovers. I'm not sure if you can see them or not. I'm going to scrape off the rest of that. Throw that in my bucket. I've got more if I need them. I'm going to let this paint go down again. So that I've got most of my paint down in this way. Now I was definitely contemplating just pouring this in place, and I guess I probably could. But I think I'm going to need something to scrape it out with, so I'm going to grab a Princeton Artful Catalyst spatula. And I'm going to try and use it all up so I can throw my saucers in the bucket, because that's a couple days old. Actually, this is a couple days old. That is not. This could be risky. But since I'm just swiping, I'm willing to take a chance. There's definitely glop in this. The last time I did it, I got lucky, so wish me luck again. So I'm going to use some Amsterdam White in Aussie Floetrol and some Atelier Black in Aussie Floetrol, and hopefully the rest of my Passion, which is a primary element. I'm trying to use up, and then I'm going to also use some Atelier Phthalo Turquoise. And I'm going to check and see if I want to do anything else to that. Like drag some things up. I did get rid of all my little dishes, so that leaves me needing a new scrape dish. I do like adding the tendrils. I'm going to get rid of that because it's just too big. But I am going to use a different palette knife to make some adjustments. I've been trying to get myself to motivate paint for a while now. Now, do I want anything else down there? I kind of want some silver. I think I'm going to use a little more Atelier of the phthalo turquoise after I wipe that palette knife off. And I still have more. I don't think it matters what I do with this now. More of the Passion. And I know it makes beautiful blue. I just annihilated that. That's too bad. Oh well. Let's just do it again. I like that color. I can always dribble what I've got left. I think I'm going to go back to the Atelier phthalo turquoise again. And I'm very tempted to put a skewer in there. I'm also tempted to put some black in there. And I'm loving what I'm seeing. Honestly, I am. So I am going to do that with the black. Because I can. The same name as my book on the Amazon link below. Show more. Where do I want to put this? And why did I eradicate so much of it when I did that? Well, I know what I want to do. A little more black, I think. I am loving the simpler color combinations. Go figure. Surprise, surprise. I like that leaf shape. Right there. Kind of makes me want to put some green in there. I want to steal a little paint. I want to steal a little more paint. I have more Passion I can use up. What do I want to do with it? Almost out. Scraping the bottom of the container. I think I'm going to spiral something out before I go on. Sorry I'm quiet, I'm kind of focused. I'm liking everything I've got. And I am not that thrilled about having to spin things out, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to put my passion in the bucket and give this a shot. Oh boy, here goes nothing. Wow. Am I done? I guess I am. Kind of think I'd like some more black. Oh yeah, no, I like that. I really think I want some more black though. Just a little something, something. Yeah, I like that. Let's go the opposite way. And I think I could have put some gold or some silver in there, but in the name of keeping things simple, I like the combination I've got. So look under the video for the 20% off coupon code, and I'm an affiliate of Colourarte. You can find that color Passion there. And I'm not minding that. I kind of liked it a little bit better before I spun, but I like it. I still like it a lot. Not sure what that is. Put a couple of my spirals back in that are missing now. Alright, so I love you guys. I hope you take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Times are weird, for sure. I do sell my artwork and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you'd like to get in touch with me, my email address is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. I'm not entirely 100% sure I'm completely done. I'm wondering if I can sneak in a little bit of cell activator to make a spiral up there, because I want one. Alright, it's not much of a spiral, it's only a little one, but it still worked out sort of kind of okay. I'm going to have to try and zoom in. I should really spin out. Wow, that's pretty heavy right there. Fortunately, at this point in time, I've been using GAC 800 in my PPG paint. And I'm hoping that it won't crack too badly, or at all. That would be even better. Okay, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out my link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I really do like this a lot. I have other lights on in my studio, so it's going to make it a little hard to see. Maybe I can go right down to the bottom for a moment at least and shimmer that beautiful passion at you. And I'm seeing a couple of bubbles, which I will take out with a sharp implement. In this case, my tweezers you can find on my Amazon link. And if you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you. That's the place that you'll find my 2 books. There, I just added a couple flourishes to my spiral flowers. Some of those cells will continue to develop. I have 3 minutes left to tell you that probably 3 minutes I don't need. To tell you, please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd really appreciate that. When you shop my links, you help me out. My website is on the Linktree link. I don't know what that is, but it's got to go. Definitely didn't belong there. I really enjoy using up my leftovers and having this gray paint with a few shards of other colors mixed in. I also like using my phone light to find the missing bubbles. That was dumb. Oh well. I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pretty much 7 days a week. I'm forgetting. Thank you very much for the donations that help keep me painting. Thank you for the compliments and the kind words that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that. If you'd like to join my membership, join by becoming a member of my channel. You'll have access to an entire new members only library of videos nobody's seen before. I love those cells in there. Those are just stunning. I love these cells too. I have to remember to start about 2/3 of the way up or down, whichever way you want to look at that. All right. What have I forgotten to tell you is Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, 2,600 videos on my playlists, all playlists, creative playlists you can find by going to my channel or asking me. Questions are invited. My community board should show you tomorrow's video. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it. I think I might have mentioned that. Because It Can and Unlimited Possibilities are the first and the second 100 videos for YouTube. And all the processes and tools and so on and so forth. Please share my videos if you have a mind to. I do sell my artwork, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. So you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.